Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Bojan Vavan, and if you want to know how to replace sky in your photo fast and easy way, stay tuned. Okay, let's hop in Photoshop and start. Okay, here I have some random photo. This sky is actually not so bad, but for this tutorial we use this. Step 1. Click on Edit. In the drop menu, find the sky replacement, and in this pop-up window you have your sky replacement options. Here you can choose sky. You can choose from this palette, or you can upload your own photos of sky. And here you can play with settings so you can blend your sky the best possible way. Press OK, and that's it. Okay guys, I hope this was helpful, so smash the like button, subscribe, and see you in next video.